Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to remove duplicate records in Excel 2010. Just open Excel worksheet. Here are some data. Now I want to remove duplicate records from this data. You can see here monitor 85 DHL, one duplicate record, monitor 85 DHL. I want to remove duplicate record from this data. How can I do that? Just select all the data which you want and go to the data menu, and here you will find remove duplicates. Just click here. It will ask you my data has headings. Okay. And to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contain duplicates. I want to remove those record which have same item, quantity and company. Okay, it will remove duplicate record of monitor 85 DHL. Now if I want to remove just select all the data and duplicate records, and now in this time I want to remove item duplicate record. Just click OK. It will remove only item which has duplicate. Now you can remove duplicate records in Excel worksheet. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.